情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
哇，就是我们今天可以有懂听。
很痛哦，痛是我很开心的意思
是啊，兴奋啊，
兴奋！因为我看了我朋友的这个求婚影片了，好兴奋啊，替他们开心。
所以你也心动？
哎，对，没错。哎，我们就要教这些东西好了。OK， 叫那么大声，你也太兴奋了吧？
嫌俺太爽，
嫌俺太爽，
有太痛的啦，
有太痛的啦。OK， 这个太爽
就是大声
，that means loud, and then 痛就是兴奋。Okay, you're too loud, you're excited. Because I saw my friend's wedding proposal video and I'm excited. 因为我看到朋友求婚的影片，所以太兴奋了。
因为看到朋友求婚嘅样片，
朋友求婚嘅样片，
故說太痛嘅，
故說太痛嘅。All right, let's review these phrases. Loud, 大聲，太爽 and a proposal, 求婚 and the mood we're describing is 興奮 痛 that means excited. There you have it, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.